I've got a surprise for you. She's back. She's back. Oh, I thought
Too cold.
You are?
That is a thumbs up, but it's too cold.
Is it? Yeah. I thought I'd film a video.
That's cute.
It's cute. That's horrific.
That is bad. That's
You're not even wearing like inch shoes.
No.
Have you grown? Horrible. Anyway, welcome back, guys. Welcome back to another video. Meg's here today with me, Meg. So today we're just gonna restock 2 vending machines today because I'm slightly hungover. I'm not gonna lie to you. Meg's got wisdom tooth trouble. And it's cold. Yeah.
I like that little layout.
But it's cool, isn't it? I think they've already seen it.
See it for me.
It's very bare on this side though. And this is all out of date stock.
Is it? Oh,
Yeah.
nice.
Dig in, boy. Dig in. Oh, Coke. Got no Coke. And it's Saturday, so Hancock's isn't open.
Yeah, I've got a little baggie if you want some.
Got a baggie. Shut the fuck up. Do you know what that means? We're going to have to spend £18,494 in Best Ways on Coke. Don't want to do that. Don't want to do that. Dude, I just said help yourself. I can't sell it, so you might as well eat it. Right, so plan of action is get the stock that we've got here.
Oh, what happened to this?
Oh yeah, so I aggressively threw it in the van.
Oh.
And it had Red Bull in it. And yeah, it just snapped.
Did it grow wings?
Unfortunately, it didn't. Yeah, so the plan of action is we are going to fill the boxes up for the 2 vending machines we're going to today. And then what are we doing after that? We're going to go to Best Ways. Oh, I didn't bring my card. What a fucking idiot. Well, then I'm going to transfer some money over to my normal account from the business account. Yeah. And then we're going to go to Best Ways, get some stock. And then we are going to go and take you to the vending machines. Let's go.
Let's do it.
Meg's just pulled this out of the... And it's got no wrapper on it. That is horrific. There's literally no wrapper on it. I can't sell that. No.
That is so sad. I'll buy it off you at a reduced price.
Off a reduced price.
Yeah, but I'm not paying for the extra plastic, am I?
Should be a good thing. No, I'm drinking that.
Fair enough.
I'm really annoyed at that.
That's mad.
Don't go in there and take the plastic off and say it's happening again to get another one.
No, that'd be obvious. That'd be too obvious.
That has really annoyed me. It's not even had any plastic on it because it's not like...
No, it's been taken off it.
Look, it's not had anything on it. It's got no sticky residue on it.
No.
I hate that word, residue. Residue. We can share this.
Oh, thanks.
If you do so, you shouldn't be drinking this. Definitely shouldn't be eating that.
I'm just not touching that side.
Fair enough. That's fair enough. Okay, so... this is what we've got going on. Bit of B-roll, you ready? Pan. Peter Pan. Wow. Oh yeah, guys, we're in Best Ways. We currently have Maltesers and Lucid. I forgot to film, so I'm just gonna update you as we go along. We need Coke Zero bottles, we need Coke bottles, Red Bull, and that's it. Oh god, that's not what I need when I'm hungover. That's not what I need when I'm hungover.
I don't know what I'm filming.
It's alright. I can't tell you how expensive these are from here.
Jesus Christ.
Right. Oh, we just got out of Best Ways. We spent £133.26. Yeah, exactly. We also went to get diesel before, and we spent £61 something.
What's that much? Was it like 45?
Hang on, I got nah.
Oh, that was how many litres you had, sorry.
£61.45. That's where
Sorry.
the 45 came from. How many litres was it?
42.
£42 litres, 41.
That's what I read.
So yeah, so now we're gonna head to the first vending machine, which is the furthest one away, which is about 40 minutes. So we're gonna have a nice sing song.
Has my hair been pink in the vlog?
I don't know.
I don't think it has. I've got pink hair.
Maybe.
It might be the light pink.
I'm not sure. This guy, guy's looking at us.
All the boys coming out. Hello, boys.
All right, well, we're gonna go because people are staring. Bye. And we found the common reason we have smashed boxes. What is going on with this?
Ah. Yeah. Is everything?
Right?
Is everything?
I know. Oh, chocolate his shin then. I can shut.
I think I should wear this.
We just got to the first location.
I'm just going to put this on.
Bye. No, please. No, please. Please.
Thank fuck for
Lift going up.
Oh my god. I could not have carried that up the stairs.
chance. Oh, hold it up a sec. Look in the mirror at the back of my hair. Thank you. Thank you.
Whoa, what's going on there? What the bloody hell's going on here? That slipped out, innit?
Yeah.
Oh, that one. What are you doing? Alright, let's go. So, I'm going to take these out and put another... Did we put sugar-free Red Bull in there?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine. I'm going to take these out and then put sugar-free Red Bull in. Put you back in.
What a lovely machine.
Ooh, squeaky. Oh, my machine at Haywood.
Yeah.
Why did I do that?
Because now they won't know, you just have to bleep it.
Oh,
That's
right,
cool
yeah.
mouth.
Yeah, that's why I did it. I did have an actual reason why I did it. So the top light is so squeaky.
Is it?
And it just goes. Actually, I can see that's just the area. It's not actual.
It's not mach-
We are finito. That glare is awful. Sorry. Doing much?
Oh, I am waiting for you to like this so I can put the lid on it.
Yeah, fair enough.
What a lovely angle.
We just got to the next
Location.
Oh, I was just about to say that.
Sorry.
No, I mean we're in sync.
Yes, dude.
Location.
Location.
Is that French? The location.
It is.
Megan's part French, by the way. If you don't know. She's
Oh.
not, but she's not, but she's fluent. And that's not actually a joke. What's location in French?
It is that.
Location.
Yeah, yeah. Just the wrong
Saying.
enunciation.
Enunciation. You can't fucking say it in English.
Oh.
Anyway, we're waffling. Yeah, we just got to the...
Oh, I like waffles.
We just got to the location. We'll see you inside. Bye. Oh, we might see you while we get the stuff out. Well,
You never know.
We like to keep you on the toes.
Surprise.
10 toes. Like Chris Brown. Bye. Go lad. Please watch the bumper of the vehicle. Yes, sirski. Yes, sirski. That skill. No, this one's first. We don't get in that lift because that one's the scary lift. I'm filming this. Are you okay? Bro, just push it out.
Look at them big hands.
Got really big biceps.
Yeah, next time we go to Tesco's, you're carrying stuff.
No. You know, you're the passenger princess. Why I don't carry stuff? Oh, come on.
Oh, that's sick. That was sick.
Really sad.
You're gonna have to like edit that so you only did it once. There's a sticker that you need to stick on as well that's on your bum.
I'll give up with the stickers.
Fair enough.
Is it a number?
Yeah, no.
Oh, right.
No. Yeah.
Give the fuck up. Be the next one. Let people on cloud. That's fine. We'll just put it at the back. And give it a bit of time to rest and recover. It's because I've got really small hands.
And you're trying to carry a monstrous flipping can of Red Bull. Didn't even know they did Red Bull that big.
Yeah. Oh.
Lucasade?
Sport. Yeah, I know. I couldn't remember which way around.
Ah.
I really didn't want to check.
Let's look through the glass.
Hi guys, well that was the last clip that I recorded for that video. Yeah, so I just wanted to jump on here and let you know I have now set up a Discord, and I've also set up a system where you can book consultation calls with me. The Discord is free for now, so I'd get in there while you can, and the consultation calls is £60 for 30 minutes. So yeah, so book on there. I'll leave a link to my card below. If you click on the card, it'll take you to a page, and you can it'll take you to a link to all my social medias, my Calendly, where you can book the calls, and you can press the link to my Discord as well through there. I'll also leave all the links below where you can just book directly through there and go to my Discord. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe if you are new. But yeah, until next time, peace.